How to export and import M4A files in Audacity. Here I have an audio with M4A extension, and if I import it into Audacity, I get an error. Also, if I wanted to export this audio as an M4A, I get an error. That's because FFmpeg library is not installed. It's a useful library that allows Audacity to handle extensions like M4A or MP4. To install the library, go to Edit Preferences. Here from the Libraries section, click on Download button. Click on Installing FFmpeg link. Scroll down, choose your operating system, and click on Download link. Here select 32-bit or 64-bit based on your operating system. I use 64-bit. After the download is finished, run the exe file and click on Next and Install buttons to install it. Now in Audacity, click on Locate button, and it should automatically find the library. If it didn't find it, navigate to the location where you installed the library and choose this DLL file. Then click OK. Now I can import an M4A file into Audacity. Also, I can go to File, Export Audio, and export the audio to M4A format. If you get an error, just restart the Audacity, and it should work fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.